DJI OSMO 360, and we will be unboxing that. That's something new. It's 1 inch. The sensor, actually 1.1 inch sensor, and this time is the square one. It's something new. 8K 360 view, so that looks amazing. We'll check how we'll be recording all the video and what they can do. 120 megapixels pictures, that's much more than Insta-X5, so probably will be great on that. Also, I've got DJI Action 4 and my first camera was DJI Action 1, so was the amazing. Now the progress between 1 and 4, it's unbelievable. They make it a nice video in 4K, the nice stability and 10-bit log. The OSMO 360 they have the 10-bit log, so D-log M in 10 bits, so you can color grading after in post-production, much more easy for taking the nice colors. Alright, so let's open and have a look what is they included. I also order the stick for DJI, 120 centimeter. It's great idea with the holder. I can't at this moment show you how it looks because I use it in Action 4. I make a video for you guys, so end of movie I will show you what they improve about the taking off the screw and put the one thing with the bottom. You can bend it by just use the bottom, no screws anymore. Anyway, let's have a look. We can open the box and I will show you what's the inside in the box. That's my first camera 360. I never use Insta or DJI, so I don't have any experience with that camera. That will be something new for me with 360, and there'll be something funny because that's different things, different view. Alright, so we got the paperwork, stickers. What we got here? Let's have a look. That looks like cover it for the glass. Yep, that's the plastic one. It's great. The cable, also the battery. What about the battery? Battery is the same battery what you can use Action 4 and Action 5, so they fit all the battery does the same Action 360 or Osmo 360 or Action 4 or Action 5. So that's great idea because if you have the one of that follow the cameras Action, you can use the battery to Osmo 360. So that's amazing things. Now another bag. Alright, nice pocket for the camera, so 360. And now what do we got inside? Some cloths to clean the lenses. That's a good idea. They cover it, packet, you know, for the camera. And now we can open the camera and we have a look. Oh my gosh. It's great. Screen, I think so, is a screen similar as, no, Action 4 and Action 5 has the bigger. So maybe the Pocket 3, the size of that. So you got the side, that's for battery, we can put in. Battery is 1950 milliampere hours, so they say they should be enough for 100 minutes, but I have no idea in which resolution, 8K and 30 frames. I just worry about the heating, how they can use, you know, on the sunny day, but we can test it later on. Alright, one more thing. That's camera. They have built 128 gigabyte inside. So as backup, if you use if your card is full, so always you can use the interior memory of 100, I think so, 100 gigabytes, because 28, I can't remember exactly, you know, how many they have the for system, because soon they should be upgrade a few things when I read on the internet, and we'll see. One side there is the connection for the charging the camera, USB-C. There is the button for turn on. Other side you've got, that's what I said, for the battery plug, and also there is the card, SD card. SD card you can use it up 1 terabyte. You have two lenses from both sides, so if you break it, crash it, scratch it, whatever, you can't change, you can't buy the new one. You have to send it to DJI. DJI, they change around 25-30 euro for the lenses. That's what I read. I didn't check, you know, yet. That's the cover it. They're working great for be safe the glass. Anyway, okay, we can turn on and have a look. There is the you can choose your language. Alright, skip 5 times, remind me. We can do later on. Confirm it. Alright, we pick the date, blah blah. We have it today is the 8th. Oh my gosh. Alright. That's amazing. Video tab. Alright. So you have in video pre-rec loop recording. That's great. And that's amazing. What do we got? 360 view. Typing. That's settings. We can use There is the Pro. So there is the Pro also, as all the same settings as the Action 4. So that's a great idea. Oh my gosh, that's a great funny experience. So yes, that's something new for me. Panoramic video. You can use the single lenses or 360 view, selfie mode, vortex or hyperlapse. For now I can't say it how I have to testing that camera, because that's what I said, that's my first camera 360, so I have no idea how to have to use that. And yeah, panoramic photo. Well, let's have a look. Panoramic photo. How does make the picture? I have no idea. That's the physical buttons under the screen. And the phone. That's how it looks, the 360 photo. Alright. Okay, that's great. Alright. I'm not a YouTuber or anything like that. I just bought my first 360 camera I wanna show you, because that's the new for me and new on the market. We're expecting that will be much more better the Insta-X5. I have no idea how that works, Insta-X5, so I know just DJI at this moment. On the Action 4 I will be testing the 360, and I want to show you that's the mount for the DJI. So as you know, if you use the Action 4, Action 5, you can just click and they connect in one way, other way they doesn't fit the magnetic pushing out, so just one way. And things here, if you see, there is the bottom over there, push, turn, push straight, and you can hear the click. Click. And now you can make it a video. That's the stick, 125. So maybe enough, maybe not. It depends what you wanna do. I watching 100 movie last few days about how make the movies. I have to learn in the outside with the camera, and after post-production how doing that. And I have to check how they connected with the DJ Mimo, how post-production on the phone. I have to download as well the DJI Studio and check what can I do with the movies. In the hand is a holder that is very great. This is waterproof as well, so you can use under the water the camera, and also you can connect it mics from DJI, and you can connect it two mics in one camera without the extender, so straight to camera via Bluetooth connection, two mics to the camera. You don't have to use like in DJI Action 4, DJI Action 5, you don't have to use the extension. That's for connection, two mics. So that's great idea. Maybe DJI Action 6 will has the same story. I just have a look, you know. I just thinking because I saw something like I can't remember in which camera, and when I watching the movie now on the internet, nobody say nothing. But if you see that four pins under the camera, I expecting they will be connected to the charger, to extra power bank for supply energy for the camera. So it will be extended battery, extended working time on the battery. But we'll see. That's something new, and one thing's what I can't understood, why they didn't do something. Maybe they will, but ND filter you can attach to the lenses. If you see the lenses, you can attach, but I see something on top, like two things. Maybe that's for the where is that? Oh, there is nothing here. So what I expect on the ND filter, maybe will be something do like cover it, like cover, and will be fitted like that, and we'll see. I have no idea what will be in the future, but that's the first camera from DJI 360, so we can expecting there will be a lot of news, because I remember when I use Action 1 and now I use Action 4, that's a huge difference. A lot of innovation, a lot of things what we can use now. Even Action 5 also the picture 70 megapixels, so that's a great idea. I expecting there will be 1-inch the sensor in Action 5, but there wasn't. Maybe Action 6 will got 1-inch, because why the Pocket 3 they got 1-inch sensor and Action they don't? We don't know. Alright, see you next time. That was unboxing and few things about that camera, and we'll see.